You guessed it, we are on the road again. This time, we are going to Melbourne Beach, which actually...
In 1 mile, use the right lane to exit right to exit 180, US 192, West Melbourne, Melbourne.
First, we're going to stop at lunch at a place that I found called La Crepe, and you were coming along on all the adventures.
Yo, I just got pixie-fied. Pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this. She is
Looking on Google for a place to sit outside on our way to Melbourne Beach, and this place popped up because I also asked for outside seating because we're still not comfortable sitting inside. So we're sitting outside. It's right on the main drag of Melbourne in the historical area, and I already know what I'm gonna get. It's called the Frenchie, and so we're gonna sit out here and have some lunch before we head on over to the beach. And then you got a roast beef sandwich. What kind of cheese is that?
I do not know.
And seasoned potatoes. I got the breakfast plate, so this is scrambled eggs, strawberries. This is their regular crepe, with just like powdered sugar, some jam for it, and these are vegetable sausage. Looks really yummy. So I happen to love crepes, and I haven't found a really good crepe place in a long time, so I'll have some of the homemade jam on it. I just have the regular normal crepe, and let's give it a whirl. This place has 4.5 out of 5 stars on Yelp. Oh my God. You're gonna need to taste this. It's fantastic. And how's your sandwich? We definitely recommend this place. The reason why we chose this hotel is because, like the one in Kitty Hawk, I'll leave a link up here of the trip that we took in July. It's also right on the water. You can hear the waves. The balcony is a nice size. I'll give you a room tour in a bit. It is a little bit smaller than we anticipated based on the photos that we saw, but it's cozy, it's comfortable, and we're here for the next 3 nights. Okay, I'm going to give you a room tour. I actually just wiped everything down with these bacterial wipes, antibacterial wipes that we brought with us. Hilton says that they clean everything with Lysol and scrub everything down. And at the front door, they do have this to show that that they cleaned everything. It says Lysol on there, and we broke the seal, and so everything is clean. But I personally like to go back over everything, so I wipe down the light switches, any surface that we're gonna sit on or eat at or touch. I went through everything and wiped everything down. Better safe than sorry. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the room. Okay, so you walk in and you immediately come into your little living room. It looks bigger online, but it's actually really not that bad. It's actually a decent size. So you have a couch that's like an L shape. That looks very comfortable with a little coffee table. There is a little nook for us to eat breakfast. They do not have the restaurant open. It's been closed since the beginning of COVID. They will let us go downstairs in the morning and get our bag for breakfast and then bring it up or eat it outside or whatever we want to do. We'll probably bring it up. You've got, the view over on this side is of the street, but you can open or close these. And then over here, you've got a TV and an ice bucket. Those are snacks and stuff we brought. We got 2 waters and some cookies from them. This is drawers if you're staying long and you want to unpack. We will not be unpacking, but there's 3 drawers here. There's a little coffee maker. It is not a Keurig, so that they're gonna have these packets of coffee. We'll probably go across the street. There is a Dunkin' Donuts across the street, and I happen to like Dunkin' Donuts. Then you've got a microwave in here. actually need to wipe the microwave down if we're going to use it. I don't think we're going to, but I need to wipe that down. And then here's the fridge, which we've already put all of our stuff in it because we brought a cooler. Since we drove, we brought a cooler with us with a bunch of our stuff. Okay, then through here, you're going to, this is the air conditioning unit, so this door doesn't get open. This is a barn door, so it saves some space, so it's really nice. And this is your bathroom. So we'll open up the barn door. And it's a small little bathroom, just your basic needs. It has a shower, not a tub. And the floor is pretty interesting. It looks like a non-skid floor. So, and everything looks clean, which is nice, obviously. And then over here is where your sink is. And then you've got towels here, extra things that you might need, and maybe possible storage space if you really wanted it. And then, you know, your sink, your mirror. And then over here, this is the bedroom. Now there is a door right here. So if someone gets up early in the morning and doesn't want to disturb the other person, you can actually pull this and shut the other person out. So like my husband can watch TV in that room while I'm sleeping, or he can go out on the deck and read. He'll probably do that. I'm a pretty heavy sleeper though, so nothing really wakes me up. And so that we got a king size bed, and then your closet. And your safe is up here if you want to use the safe. And your closet, there is extra bedding, iron and ironing board should you decide to use it. There's also a dryer if you don't want to bring your hair dryer. This is another dresser, so for more storage space, you put your stuff in here. There's 3 of them. And then also some space here for, I may actually unpack some of my sweatshirts and stuff because I'll be wearing a lot of sweatshirts this weekend. Another television. And then a little place for your luggage, which I like a lot. I love using a luggage rack. So this is perfect for me. And then of course, this is your outside balcony, which has 2 chairs, one over here, one over there. Say hello. He's already settled in. And this is what we love, the beach. And it's, what was the temperature, 67? Yeah, it's currently cold here in Florida, 67 degrees. I have to find out if we are allowed to use those free of charge. I'm going to call down in a little bit and find out in case we just want to sit out on the beach. There will be sunsets since we're on the East Coast instead of the West Coast. I like that this is modernized with USB ports or the regular type of plugins, and that's on both sides of the bed on either end table, so that's really nice. All right, along with your 2 chairs, you also get a table, so we can actually sit out here and play games. We brought a bunch of games. And that's pretty much it. And this is where we're going to be for the next 3 nights. I love the sparkly lights. So we passed this on the way to our hotel earlier today, and it literally is, I think, a third of a mile. We could walk here. It's just so cold. We were gonna sit outside, but there's no heaters, so we're just gonna take it back to the room. But it gets 5 stars on Yelp, so we're gonna go home and try it out. Our official spread. Evan got the sushi dinner. I got the egg and a roll. I think that's my roll right there. It's more nice, more of a cooked roll. And he also has California roll with his, and his comes with soup, which I just tasted and is extremely good. And my salad looks a little wilty. it looks a little wilty in there, but I'll eat around it. Anywho, that's what we're gonna do, sit here and eat. And that is day 1 of our mini vacation. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on our next adventure. We have no idea what we're going to be doing for the next 3 days, or we have 2 full days left. We want to go back to that downtown area that we were at today and actually walk around. So that could be in an upcoming video. Okay, see ya.